Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix temporarily blocked on Messenger. So it's pretty simple. So follow these steps if you want to get unblocked if you are temporarily blocked on Messenger. So when you're temporarily blocked on Messenger, you won't be able to send any message to anyone on Messenger. You basically won't be able to use Messenger. You can just that's what temporarily blocked means. So to unblock it, since you cannot use Messenger, the other option is you go on Facebook, as Facebook and Messenger are of same company, and yeah, go to the same Facebook account which your Messenger is linked with. Do not go to another Facebook account. So now after you come to Facebook, click on this button over here, scroll down until you see help and support, click on help and support and click on report a problem. And once you're over here, you can click on continue to report a problem. So it's creating a report over here. Now from all these options, choose Messenger or chat over here. Now over here, if you have a screenshot of your problem where it says you're temporarily blocked, you can add it by clicking on camera roll over here and choosing the screenshot. But if you don't have it, then don't worry, you can just write your problem over here saying, my Messenger is temporarily blocked for no reason, please unblock it. After writing this, click on this button send, and this message will be sent to Facebook staff, and Facebook staff will view it and will try to unblock your Messenger. Now remember, it could take time up to 1 day, so at least wait for a day for the staff to solve your problem. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any problem related to this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to solve it. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.